And so PSEI up 1.67%, and that's equivalent to 104. So it's now 6,401. And ayun nga, lahat ng halos ng mga blue chips no tumaas. And so makita nyo man, Ayala Land, ang mga real estate na companies, which is yung mga sinusundan natin, no, Ayala Land, SMPH, and MRate, RRHI, which is consumer, RCR Maynilad, which is napakaganda ng performance since IPO. So congratulations sa mga nakasabay dyan sa Maynilad. RLC, which is a real estate play din with a big dividend yield, no? So maganda rin yung dividend yield niya ni RLC, which is around 5 to 6% last year. So with that current price, I think it's around 3 to 4 na lang. So DNL, ayan, ang laki, no? 5% in just one day. So birang-bira yan. And Jollibee, which is bumagsak na yan from 208 na nag-surge siya ng 14% in just one day. It's now around 1% today, so at 202. And Monde, and so it's a consumer stock, Security Bank, and PLDT, which is a very big jump then with 2.56. So this is, I think yung the reason why na tumaas ito lahat, and hopefully no magtuloy-tuloy na itong PSEI growth and Philippine growth sa bansa, no, and hopefully maka-attract ng mas maraming foreign investors. So the reason why is again technical exhaustion. So grabe yung bagsak niya, pandemic level yung binagsak niya from around 7,000 or 8,000 since the elections. And ayun, technical exhaustion. And again, Philippines is still an emerging market, listed as an emerging market, which is yun, nag-improve lang yung market sentiment, na yun yan, nakikita nila na there's something going on. May mga napaparusa na about corruptions sa government natin. And positive, no, positive news, you know, internationally. And bargain hunting yung mga foreign investors, so mga traders din all over the world. So bargain hunting kasi yun nga, we are still an emerging market, and this is where they can get a lot of, or a big capital appreciation, kasi we are still undervalued. So despite these growth, no, so makita niyo 5%, 2%, 3%, these are undervalued stocks pa rin. So I would say yan, tulad yan na lagi kong pinapakita dito, paborito ko nga, no, Ayala Land, ever since I was trading or investing 10 years ago, or 10 or 12 years ago. Yan, I always have Ayala Land. Ayan, so yung Ayala Land na yan, yan na yung price niya dati pa. So bumagsak lang. So this one, so syempre may growth na yan over the years, over a decade. And this 21.8 niya na price ngayon is so undervalued. And there's nothing wrong with the company. It's still growing, still earning a lot. And ayan, ang all-time high niya is around 60. So there's still a lot of room for growth dyan sa current price niya. So despite that 3% jump today, pag nagtuloy-tuloy to, then we can expect like around 40-50%, no? So let's see, no? So just do peso cost averaging, just like what I said, peso cost averaging, but you'll know, you should know when to sell or top slice, no? Ibig sabihin, you get some profits to put into other undervalued stocks. So that's our strategy here sa ating PSEI, no? So the same thing with SMPH and Ayala Land is like my trigger, or like my indicator na medyo gumaganda yung sentiment ng market, kasi they're the first ones na babagsak, they're the first ones to go up pag naging okay na lahat. So yun yung indicator natin. And same thing yung mga malalaking kumpanya lang, mga blue chips, no, Jollibee, Tel, Globe, etc. Yung mga big companies na, alam niyo naman, makikita niyo naman yan, yung mga big brands, no? Sila yung unang-unang dinidistribute kapag ka talagang hindi na maganda. Like what happened last August or September. Sila yung nauna, no? Na nag-dump. Then, right now, sila yung nauunang umakyat. So, again, I would say, Ayala Land, just do cost averaging and then just set some take profit level, so you will check the charts and just check the significant resistance and you just target there, and once it reaches that level then you can take some profits. And ayun, unti-unti may mga process din yan pag take profit, so it really depends on your strategy. So ayun, yun lang sa ating stocks, no, sa stocks update. So I'm just maganda lang yung maganda lang yung outlook natin since nakabawi na. So yun, if you want na to get some more stock market recommendations and more learning about stock markets, you can check my bio. So see you there.